As part of the v4.6 release, Strapi has put out data import and export. This feature allows you to import and export data from different Strapi apps that share the same content types and configuration. We'll demo that. Here we have two Strapi applications, one by user Daniel and the other by user Kai. You can differentiate the two by the different color themes. In this application, we have two collection types, author and book, all with data populated. And so we'll just publish this and go back. We have the same collection types, book and author, in our other application, both having no data. And so what we want to do is use the new CLI option to export the data in this application and import it into this application. We'll open our terminal and we'll stop our server. Inside v4.6 Strapi beta, we'll say yarn Strapi export -f, and we'll name our backup file books demo. We'll enter an encryption key. Very important to remember encryption key because that is what you will use when importing the data. And so we get a message saying our export process has been completed successfully, and our archive is saved in booksdemo.tar.gz.enc. And so what we want to do now is move booksdemo.tar.gz.enc to desktop /code/4.6 import. We'll change directories here in 4.6 import, where we just exported our backup file, and we'll use yarn Strapi import the name of our backup file, which is booksdemo.tar.gz.enc. I'll just confirm that. tar.gz.enc, exactly. And then we need to add the -f flag to specify that that is our backup file, and we need to edit and add our encryption key here. Mine is that, and we will be prompted and warned about deleting all the data in our database. I'll click yes. The import has been completed successfully in 9 seconds. And so now we'll go into our second application and refresh. We've got to restart our server, yarn develop. And now we'll go to our application, and you see we have published content in authors and in books that matches the first application.